berry finds in there. Are you okay, Larry?
So far, so good. Trail's going through.
Camping spot on top is a concrete slab. Keep going or go back and find them?
I bet if we made a right turn, we'd go end up meeting them again.
I got visual on the last two. They're heading our way.
Copy that.
The second part of the trail is even better.
Okay, so now everybody has done a plank road. And tails rolling. Everybody accounted for. Hey, that was a really good plank road up further. I'm sorry, baby Jeep, I forgot your name. Is it Fred? Rich. Nowhere close. Everybody will warn you, I can't remember names for shit. Problem. So we're just going to cross over here and go on to the other side of the railroad track and then follow the railroad track to the east for about 1.5 miles and then head south, due south for a couple miles. That's fine. We're going to set the pace and let them catch up with us. This could really build some dry stack walls here. Dude, was that a lot of labor or what?